My employer wants me to come up with an innovations during COVID-19 lockdown period in New Zealand. I came up with an idea of Internet of Things IoT apps for window control system. The app is called WCS Smart Home Apps. This is what it looks like. You'll see the home page after you log in. From here, you can select a room where automated windows are installed. Now, I want to go into dining room, so I just tap here. After that, I want to open the window number 1, halfway. Here it is. After that, I want to open the window number 2, let's say 3/4. Window number 3 doesn't have a servo motor, so I can only open and close. I just want to open it as well. After that, I'll check another room. Let's check the living room. I want to open the window number 3 here. I can control all the window in this manner. This is so easy.